All right, everybody, I'm going to teach you something that very few people do, very few people know how to do, but yet it's very, very easy to do, and it's very, very important to do. So what am I talking about? You absolutely positively have got to back up your email lists and get in the habit while it's small. You get 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. Get in the habit, because when you get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 or more, I mean, you don't want to lose that list. So how could you lose the list? Well, it is possible that for whatever reason, your account could get shut down. Not just because you're at Aweber. I mean, MailChimp, GetResponse, ConvertKit, whoever. You can make a mistake. Maybe something happens. Who knows? Or maybe there's a problem with the servers at Aweber, or, like I said, the same thing can happen at other email autoresponders. The point is, this list is your moneymaker. These are your followers. These are people that know, like, and trust you. These are the list of people that want to give you their money when you can give them something of value. You don't want to lose that list. You want to protect that list. It took a lot of time and energy and money probably to build that list. So how do you back it up? Well, the good news, it's very simple. So here we go. And don't forget, do this every once in a while, maybe once a month. It depends. But, you got to back up your sites. Just make sure you're on the right list, right? Very simple. Then go to subscribers. Right? So these are the subscribers, all the subscribers for this list, which is Traffic Tips. All you got to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and click Export CSV. That means export the file, the database, the email list in a CSV format, separated value format that is compatible with Microsoft Excel, etc., and other spreadsheet software. Like I said, you can go to openoffice.org if you want to open this up, because they give you free spreadsheet software. Okay, so let's just do it. Click Export CSV File. Right? We've exported it. It gives you this funky name down here, which doesn't really help much. So it's going to save it as a .csv, so I can delete the whole thing. And I can call this Traffic Tips, and I can put a 2 there because I'm already using a 1. I can just put a 2 there. Maybe I want to put, the date or something like that, like 30 November 21, whatever. So that is going to add a .csv to the end. Save as. So when I go back to that folder, there's the file I just saved. So it added the .csv. If I open this up, well, let's just do that for a second. Okay, so we're at the spreadsheet. I'm just going to click there, double click on that. So you get the names, and you get double click on that. Names, the email addresses, and other ad tracking data, whatever. Okay, but anyways, there it is. You've backed it up. You've saved it. So God forbid anything should happen to your list at Aweber on the Aweber servers. You've got your list right here that you can reload back up to Aweber or another email autoresponder company if you should so choose. Okay, that's it, and that's all. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.